All right, this is Big Cat reporting live from the MAC Championship in Detroit, Michigan. We got Bowling Green versus Northern Illinois. The entire MAC season has been building up to this moment. I've been excited for about a week straight. I'm expecting a lot of MACtion. I might pass out from too much MACtion. Who knows? Let's take a look. Adding one thing to my presentation to save Detroit, every day should be the MAC Championship. That was an awesome catch. Hank let out an excited fart after that catch. Too much. Hey, can't deal with the MACtion. That's a flag! That's a flag! Figure it out! Figure it out! Figure it out! Ah! Just gotta tell him to figure it out. Huge. That is huge. They knocked the pass, intercept, they picked it. Touchdown, he runs left side, pitches it ahead, touchdown, Travis Green. Halftime MAC Championship. NIU is down 31-14. They've looked, excuse me. NIU is down 31-13. The mush that was put on Jackie Robinson West and the Chicago Sky has now come to the MAC Conference. Sorry, I guess. Diesel. He just retired. He came out of retirement for one game. There's Diesel. Dog whistle to get Diesel to look my way. He's probably too old to hear my dog whistle.
And the Firebird finale.
That's a hat right there. This is the comeback hat. Biggest play of the game right here. Need a stop.
He makes a cut, and he takes it home! MAC Championship, baby! Travis Green! Put it in the bank!
Post-game MAC Championship. Northern Illinois got mushed. I bet them first half, team total. Second half, full game. Lost every single one. At this point, maybe I'm not the man to save Detroit. Maybe Detroit needs to save me.